Independence of India was achieved at a great cost. Partition. The partition witnessed a mass exodus of people from East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, to West. This place owes its name to late Sri Horipada Biswas. Sri Biswas tried to relive his past by naming this colony after Barakpur village of the Khulna district. After the issues of food and shelter were more or less addressed, there grew an urge for education. Then, under the initiative of Sri Horipada Biswas, a college started from New Barakpur Boys' School, and the institution was christened New Barakpur College. The day was August 16, 1960. The foundation stone of its own building was laid by the Central Minister Meher Chand Khanna. It was a moment of pride for this institution when in the year 1961, the Union Education Minister Dr. Humayun Kabir inaugurated the new building. As 1961 was a birth centenary of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy, the college was renamed as Acharya Prafulla Chandra College as a gesture of respect for this great soul. Over the years, the college has proved its mettle. From the 9th decade of the 20th century, this institution has made its presence felt both academically and infrastructurally. In the year 2005, a post-graduation course in microbiology was introduced. This has been followed by as many as 4 other departments introducing postgraduate studies. On November 5, 2016, the college earned a rare distinction by celebrating the first convocation. This institution is reckoned as one of the best colleges not only of the district but also West Bengal. From a humble beginning, the college is proud to have 2 more blocks today. One, the vocational, the other, the postgraduate. There is a constant endeavor to excel academically. The college has successfully set up an automatic weather station which will help in climatic data collection. The college has a very strong NSS unit. The NSS unit makes it imperative to focus the relevant issues. By participating in these programs, the students learn how a collective effort can work wonders in spreading awareness. With the intention of harmonizing the traditional and experimental, the college is constantly engaged in excelling itself. The synergy of the teachers, non-teaching staff and the students has been strengthened under the able leadership of the principal Dr. S. Bhaumik and the president of the governing body Dr. Nikhil Chandra Haldar. In its 56 years long journey, Acharya Prafulla Chandra College knows that yesterday is but today's memory and tomorrow is today's dream.